EOS is the leading company in powder bed fusion. We are developing industrial 3D printers for polymer and for metal applications. With small serial production, it is now really important to focus on robustness of the system, that it can work 24 hours, 7 days a week, and that we have a very good integration into CAD/CAM and MES systems.
EOSPrint is our software which enables our customers to get the best quality out of the machines. So EOSPrint is handling the hatching, so that means all the vectors with the right process parameters. In Autodesk Fusion, you have a plugin with EOSPrint in the background with the optimized hatching algorithms for the best balance in quality and productivity.
EOS is the market leader in additive manufacturing. It's really cool to see that now all EOS users have access to this tool, can download it from the Fusion App Store for free, and then can use the full tool chain from software to the machine. The situation that you have seen in the market historically is that you have many specialized tools where you need really high knowledge, and they have also a high barrier of entry because they are really expensive as well. Fusion combines all these tools into a platform where you have access to everything when you need it at an affordable price point.
It has been quite a hassle to always change the different softwares, and I do think Fusion does make a really good job here to integrate it seamlessly with EOSPrint and our systems.
In order to deliver a mainstream capable solution that gets additive manufacturing out of its current niche into a mass adopted technology, you need to integrate the specialty of the machine builder with the front end that the engineer works with.
The main reason why I like to work with Autodesk Fusion is that you can do everything on one software. You have your first CAD, you can adapt it, you can generate the supports, and you can process simulate the parts or the build job, and the final point is that you can directly send the build job to the machine thanks to Autodesk Fusion. You don't need to export the CAD from a first software to put it in the second one. Like, everything is on one interface, and that's super nice.
So I can model my part in Fusion, and I can immediately get feedback how it will be 3D printed on one of our systems. One of the first things I immediately want to understand is if this part is printable. Do I need in metal support, or in which orientation do I need to have it in my built environment?
With the process simulation feature in Autodesk Fusion, you can forecast your supports. When the software is saying you that maybe here you have too many local stresses, it may be that your part will go up or will delaminate from your supports during the build job. And to avoid a job crash, then you will have to fine-tune your supports locally.
And the second thing is, how long will this part take to build? And there, the Fusion integration of EOSPrint is giving me instant feedback, which I then take into the design iteration.
In the additive manufacturing world specifically, there are a lot of challenges how to get from the desired product design to the final part. Fusion bridges this gap very elegantly inside the CAD system and allows you to nest your part on a build plate, orient it, add support structures, slice it, and send it to the printer. With the EOS app, we have created an integrated workflow from the product design to the machine. This not only enables quick product iterations, it also allows to, for example, simulate the process up front to make sure that the product design fits the manufacturing constraints.